what we're going to talk about is pretty simply AM2, AM2 plus, AM3, AM3 plus. What's it all mean? First questions first. I've got an AM2 processor here. It is the AMD 64x2. This was assembled in 2005 by AMD, and we're going to take it and try to put it in an AM3 plus board right now. This is a little AM3 plus board. Line up the points to the points, and does not fit. See, there's key pins that do not line up with AM plus or AM2 processors and AM3 or 3 plus boards. Now, I have heard of people actually trying to cut pins and get them to work with the newer boards, but they were unsuccessful. One of the differences between the AM3 and AM3 Plus is the support of the FX AMD processors. Physically, there's not really that much of a difference between AM3 and AM3 Plus. Physically, there is differences between AM2 and AM3. AM2 supported DDR2. AM3 supports DDR3. So you can possibly put AM3 processors in AM2 boards, but then you're dealing with DDR2, which is very expensive, and they don't make it in large amounts. And if you want to have a good, healthy computer nowadays, you really need the DDR3 support. Alright guys, I hope that helps out. And yeah, no fitty. If you have any questions about AM2, AM2 Plus, or AM3, if I didn't handle it, shoot me a question. I'll get back to you on YouTube. Alright guys, that is our Tech No for today.